Just the little things like, that broken drawer handle that has been bothering you for days, but you just haven't gotten around. But every single time, it just makes you annoyed. And you know that. Do you want to stay grounded, less triggered, less annoyed, and mindful throughout your wedding process? Well, then, welcome. You've come to the right place. Hi lovelies, welcome back to our channel, and I'm super excited to introduce to you a brand new series, The Little Book of Mindful Wedding Planning, Ebook Walkthrough. I have linked the ebook in the description below where you can grab your own copy. In this series, we'll explore and dive deep into each chapter. So, if you're getting married or is close to someone who is getting married, or is just altogether into mindfulness, then this series is for you. Join us every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays as we journey through the little book of mindful wedding planning, chapter by chapter. Before we get on this week's chapter, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss an episode. Together, we'll create moments of mindfulness amidst the demands of wedding planning. Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to chapter 12, Fix That Thing. Let me read on. Not directly wedding related, but adjacent. But you know that one thing you said you'll fix? That keychain, earring, doorknob, cleaning your favorite makeup brush, changing curtains, or whatever it is that has been bothering you for a while, but never got a chance to get around? Do it now. Go for that car wash, clean your car, fix that broken drawer, get that haircut you've been putting off. Fix that purse that you've been wanting to use again for so long. Once you've done this, watch how that lifts some weight off your shoulder, making you more open and available to your wedding planning plans. Also, this is a vote that you're giving to that creative problem solver part of you. If you keep voting for a part of yourself, eventually that part will keep winning and giving you more confidence and peace. Just the little things like, that broken drawer handle that has been bothering you for days, but you just haven't gotten around. But every single time, it just makes you annoyed. And you know that there's just one thing. It might not be the drawer handle. It might be something else. But to me, it's this drawer. It's just every single damn time that I try to open it, it just like comes loose. Why? The thing is, it happens every time I'm in a rush. Like obviously when I'm not dressing up, I don't really need to open that drawer. So it only happens in my head and I only remember it when I am in that situation of usually rushing in the morning, trying to get out, trying to dress up, trying to get to the next event, the next meeting, whatever the case may be. But if I am not using that drawer, it doesn't come up. But I know that I have to get that done because
That's annoying the bejizzle out of me.
So you know what? I put a sticky and we just like drawer handle to do. Sticky has been sitting there for like a week, probably more than that, probably a month if I'm not lying. So you know what? I've decided that I'm going to take the time to just change the drawer handle. Funny thing, I actually didn't get that drawer handle fixed. You know what I did? I got a new drawer. And I got a new drawer and I assembled that drawer by myself. I knew I deserve a better drawer. Like this drawer, this old thing. This is not to say that you have to be wasteful, but that drawer has been with us for so long, probably since we moved into this house. And it's been so long. I mean, it's time for a new drawer. It has been like hard to pull out. It's just dated. The wood is just like, you can see that it's just like really scraped. It's just really old, basically. So I did it. So instead of just fixing it, I actually went the extra mile and got myself a new drawer. And I felt like I deserved it. So that's amazing. Now, that stress of me opening up the drawer every morning when I'm about to leave is gone. It's a funny thing. I'm actually excited to use it. I'm just like, yeah, I'm going to open up this new drawer smoothly because it opens up smoothly now. The old one, if you had drawers before that are really old, it doesn't open up smoothly anymore, right? You had to rig it a little bit, but The new ones just glides out smoothly, just gives me that, I romanticize now when I wake up in the morning and I have to dress up. It's like I am the main character. I'm opening this up lightly. It glides smoothly. So little things that seem like doesn't really take a toll on you is really taking a toll on you. It's the total of all these little things that are not done. When you do these things, it makes you feel confident about yourself. Oh yeah, I can problem solve. Yeah, I deserve better. Yeah, like this is amazing. Like, why didn't I not think about this a long time ago? And the funniest thing is that even if it doesn't work out, so say for example, I really did not have time to go for that drawer and get that fixed or get a new one. If I really did not have the time, for example, I now tell myself and change the narrative that this is not priority. It's not priority. Maybe at that time it's better for me to do something else. Again, every person has a different situation, has a different life setting, lifestyle. But to me, at that point, I'm just like, yeah, no, I need a better drawer. Really, this is like taking a toll on me. Just being aware of what's taking a toll on you, even if you really don't have time for that thing, we change the narrative about it. So it's not like we're voting for ourselves and saying, you know what, I really don't have time for this. No, it means if you don't have time for that, it means you're doing something else or you're focused and go to that something else and say, I am a problem solver because of XYZ. So it's these things that we're doing, the little things that's seemingly not important. This is a vote to that part of ourselves. It makes us feel good. It makes us proud of ourselves. Like, yeah, see, I solved the problem. That makes you feel good because you deserve to feel good. Can you imagine how many decisions you have to make during the whole wedding planning process? And that needs a lot of affirmation, a lot of confidence to do. And all these little things that are hanging in your head, like in your space, especially in your direct space. I always say this, if it's in your direct space and it's not solved, something is dirty, you really wanted to take out the stain from somewhere for the longest time on your carpet, whatever the case may be. It's just been there. And every time you see it, it just bothers you. You clean it one day and look what happens. You're just like, wow, what a relief. What an amazing time now that I don't have to look at that annoying thing and let it be gone. And even if, again, even if you don't have time to solve that problem, you change the narrative around it and be just like, that thing won't matter to me anymore because I'm doing this bigger thing. So just be aware of these things that you're doing. Whatever that is, fix that little thing, did not fix that little thing, that bigger thing, that bigger thing. Vote for yourself. Essentially, the whole point of this article is that when you fix something, when you do something that doesn't seem as important to anybody else but you, that's a vote for yourself. You're voting for that creative part of yourself. You're voting for that problem solver part of yourself. You're giving yourself confidence. You're being proud of yourself. That's so important. You feel good about yourself because you should. You deserve to feel good. And just in case no one else have told you today, you're amazing. You are. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Little Book of Mindful Wedding Planning series. Your comments, questions, and support mean the world to us. And I can't wait to hear from you in the comments section below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can never miss an episode. If you found today's episode valuable, please give it a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Thank you so much, lovelies. See you on the next episode. Bye!